In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve SPSC 2011 MCQ, that is, if x and y are two random variables with means micro x and micro y, then covariable x y is equal to solution. If x and y are two random variables with mean micro x and micro y, then covariable x comma y is equal to e into x minus micro x into e into y minus micro y is equal to e into x dot y minus e into x e into y. So option C is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah.